So today we are going to learn about the naming of complex substituents. So what actually does complex substituent means? So complex substituents are the substituent which are also having some name. Like if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then if I draw an alkyl substituent, this is an alkyl substituent, but it also have branch. So how do we name them? So what is the rule? Assign first number to the carbon which is directly attached to the main chain. Then follow IUPAC for that particular substituent. Then name as written in branch and with y. And what does it mean? It means that first of all you have to select the longest chain. So this is the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the longest chain and it is the substituent. So first of all you have to give the first number directly attached to the main chain of the carbon. Then you have to name it as per the rule of IUPAC. Then you have to give it like second carbon, and this is the first substituent on second carbon. So you will be naming it as a 4. Then you will writing as a dash. Then in this particular is known as complex substituent. So this particular is known as complex substituent because this is not a normal substituent. This substituent do also have some naming. So we will be writing it as a normal. That we will be first of all writing as a 2 degree prefix. What is 2 degree prefix? The 2 degree prefix is the naming of the substituent. So fourth number is the substituent. In complex number we will be writing it in a bracket. Then 4 1 methyl. Then ethyl, and number of carbon are 7. Then it is heptane. 4 dash we will be writing dash. Then 1 methyl ethyl. It is actually 1 methyl ethane. Then ethane we will be writing as ethyl. Now moving further, let's take some more examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we will be writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So as we will be looking for the longest carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And it is, let's remove 1 carbon to make it simple. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll remove these two and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And this is the complex substituent. 1, 2, 3. Actually, in some book you will be seeing the name like 1 dash, 2 dash, and 3 dash. Actually, we will not be writing 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. We will be only writing first carbon. Then longest carbon chain it is 2 and 3. And it is 4, right? It is 4. So first of all, we will be writing the substituent 5 dash 1 2 3 4 2 dash methyl propane. Now we will be not writing propane, we will be writing it as a propyl, and we will be writing it as a YL and decan. Again, if we look one more an example, this particular complex. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. It is fifth from both the side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We will be giving it as a 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash. Okay, so we will be writing 5 1 dash ethyl, then we will be writing 1 dash methyl, then propyl nonane, 1 dash methyl 1 dash ethyl propyl nonane. Now what is the name of that? If I am writing like this and I am giving this as a name, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. On fourth it is a complex substituent, 1 dash 2 dash. Fourth 1 dash methyl ethyl octane. 1 dash methyl ethyl octane. But it is IUPAC convention. But there is some common name we use. So in common name we will be writing as a 4 isopropyl octane. Now in IUPAC, now we will be looking at what are the common name in the just next table. But if we write IUPAC, we will be writing main chain carbon are only count. But in common name, all carbon count. When we are writing isopropyl, or why we are counting all the carbon? Because in common name we count all the carbon, but in IUPAC we only count the longest carbon chain. Now if we move further, we will be writing it as a substituent IUPAC common name. If we have substituent like this, C, then it is IUPAC name is 1 methyl ethyl, and common name would be isopropyl. If we have like 1 2 3 propyl, then it will be normal propyl. 1 2 3 4, it will be butyl in terms of IUPAC, but in common name we will be writing as normal butyl. If we have like 1 2 3 4, it will be 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash. So we will be writing 2 dash methyl propyl, but in the common name it will be isobutyl. It will be 1 2 3 1 dash 2 dash 1 dash comma 1 dash dimethyl ethyl. But in case of common name, it will be tertiary butyl. Tertiary we will write third. So actually the chain, if it is eating like making a Y, so it is isogroups. Remaining on secondary. Okay, the terminal group has this type of group, then it is isogroup, and the terminal group it has having like that cross, then it will be tertiary group. Okay, so these are the general common name we use.